three is, I guess we'll be picking really three questions, and kung ano yung mapili niya ng question, that will be the question for everyone from the top three. Alright. And of course, I will get this. Isa lang dyan ang pangutana o isa lang dyan ang pangutana. My bad. Iyan ko, lagi ko ninyo dali sa kubangan lagi po. Alright, so there will be one question only. I'll be reading the question twice. And again, as always, audience, while our candidate is delivering her answers, insights, opinion, and points of view with the question, please remain silent and huwag masyadong mag-ingay. Alright. And your final question is, if you were to become a mutya ng Barangay San Francisco, how will you promote the values and culture of your barangay to inspire unity, progress, and pride among our fellow citizens? Again, if you were to become a mutya ng Barangay San Francisco, how will you promote the values and culture of your barangay to inspire unity, progress, and pride among our fellow citizens?
If I were to become Mutya in San Francisco, the main of the reasons that I joined this pageant today is because I am an advocate of women empowerment. And because of that, I want to empower the youth of San Francisco to become watchdogs of safety and security and champions of fairness and justice. And so, if I were to become a Mutya in San Francisco, I would use this platform. I would use this platform. I'm an advocate. I would use this platform to fight for my advocacy, to empower the youth, to give them a sense of purpose, a sense of responsibility, so that they may be able to contribute to the country, and so that we may be able to secure a future for our nation. Because a nation that empowers the youth is a nation that its future is secure. Thank you.
Alright, that was Mutya number 8.